We will see some multiple choice questions in C programming. So, who developed C language? So, C language was developed by Dennis Rich. What is CPU? CPU representing Central Processing Unit. C programs are converted into machine language with the help of a compiler. C language developed at AT&T Bell Laboratories of USA in 1972. Here AT&T means American Telephonic and Telegraphic. C is a high level language. Actually, C is having the features of both high level and low level. That's why C is called a middle level language. But here in the options, we have the highest priority is for high level language. How many bytes occupied by the float data type? So 4 bytes are occupied by the float data type. Which of the following is not a data type? So here integer is not a data type. Int is a data type. What is ternary operator? Question mark and colon representing ternary operator. We can write the expression like expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, expression 3. Here this is condition, expression 2 is true statement, expression 3 is false statements. In this way we can create ternary operator. The format identifier %i is also used for which data type? Representing here integer data type. %i is used for integer data type. So B is the right answer. So a C variable cannot starts with, can starts with alphabet, special symbol underscore, and here you can see it cannot starts with a number. So B is the right answer. Which of the following shows the correct hierarchy of arithmetic operators in C? So here you can see star slash plus minus representing the correct way here. So highest priority in the arithmetic operators should be star slash, and next priority goes to plus minus. So that's why star slash plus minus representing correct hierarchy of arithmetic operations. Every C program must have one function called, so every C program must contains a main function. The correct answer is B. The keywords are also called as, reserved words. So nothing but predefined words by the compiler representing keywords, also called as reserved words. How many number of keywords are available in C? There are 32 keywords available in C language. Correct answer is B. Constants are broadly divided into, so two types we can take, numeric and non-numeric. So non-numeric we can also call as character type. So here we have C is the correct answer. Numeric character. Thank you all. Please subscribe to my channel.